My name is Siddhant. I was born and brought up in Delhi. I am from a commerce background. I've done my BCom from SJND Khalsa Delhi University. I'm currently pursuing my PGDM in marketing and finance from India. I've also worked as an intern for a digital marketing company called ClickBazaar, where I was handling ad account of an e-commerce company called Postful. There, I also developed a keen interest in marketing field, specifically creating marketing campaigns. And currently my aim is to work with a company like HUL, where I can polish my skills and deliver my full potential to every assigned project, and to work with the company as long as I have an enriching career. Now I will talk about the strength and weaknesses I have. First, I will talk about the strength. My biggest strength is the ability to solve problems. I can quickly and efficiently solve the given problems. I can see given situation with multiple perspectives. This not only helps me to find the root cause of any problem, but also helps me in performing under challenging condition. My ability to see every issue from different sides will make me a good asset to the team. Now I will talk about the weaknesses I have. One of the weaknesses I have is that I am too critical of myself. I can sometimes just only focus on the things which I am not achieved, things I am not good at, and that sometimes leaves me burnout. So now I'm trying to focus on also seeing the good things I've done and small achievements I make. This is also giving me a lot of confidence in my personal life, but also to see things optimistically and positively. So my plan currently is to work in FMGC sector and to specifically work with HUL because HUL is the market leader. I plan on polishing my skills in a way and that it helps not only my team but the company to achieve all the objectives. I would like to apply all the learnings and training I have got in past few years to help my organization to improve, and I would like to focus on a lot of other aspects as well, like how to become a good team player, how to contribute to the team in a way that team achieves its objective, how to align my own goal with the team so that I understand the group dynamics deeply. Also, down the line, I would also like to become a team leader and help my team achieve its objectives and experience overall growth. So I would like to basically focus on the improving the fundamental skills I have so that I am able to take up on more responsibilities, more job roles, and basically more challenges. So there are three main reasons why I would like to work with HUL. The very first reason is that I am focused towards working in FMGC industry, and HUL happens to be the market leader in FMGC industry of India with over 40,000 crore plus revenue, and the company has been around for over 80 years. This sets up an amazing opportunity for me, as the company would provide me a very steady growth. So it is once in a lifetime opportunity for a fresher like me who can kickstart a career as a trainee with HUL. The second important reason is that the product which are made by or offered by the company, the product are of a very high standard. I have personally used them and found them to be quite well. Also, before coming in for this interview, I have done my research on the company, and I found that the company has over 30 plus brands and over 45 plus products, and all of the products have majorly got positive feedback. So this again ensures that company is not only focused towards producing them at high standard, but also the company believes in constant innovation, and this is the kind of company I've wanted always to work in. And now the third reason, which is very important reason and very personal reason as well, the company the values that company has is something which I look forward to. Like the company plan on to become completely plastic free and overall to become a sustainable company. This is something which I also follow in my personal life. So sharing such values with a company like HUL will give me an opportunity which is very unique and very fulfilling. So this job is basically what I have been looking for. My past experiences and the training I have received while pursuing my PGDM from NDIM is going to help me immensely in doing my job at HUL. So the very first thing which I've learned is the ability to solve difficult problems. So while I was working at Click Bazaar as an intern, there I learned how to critically approach any given problem and to solve it efficiently and effectively, to basically understand the given sales data, and from there how to troubleshoot any given problem. So I would be using that skill here when I am working for HUL as well. The other thing which I have learned is while I was studying at NDIM, I was part of various group activities. So I was given a lot of group tasks. So there I learned how can I become the part of the group, and how I can align my own goals with the team's goal, and to basically understand the group dynamics. This would help me a lot when I am working for HUL, as a lot of projects which I would be given are basically would require me to be a good team player. The third skill which I have learned that would help me a lot is being a leader. I was captain to my football team for 3 straight years. So there I've learned how to basically help not only me but my team to achieve the goals, to basically get the victory. I've learned how to use my team members' potential in a way that it would help our team improve and get to the targets which we have set. So all these are the learning and experience which I had, which would I believe that help me immensely in doing my job at HUL.